And Jesus, one of our deacons, reported that you led an outreach event in which you walked around a poor neighborhood and shared the gospel with anyone who would listen. And apparently people were just flocking to you, filling the streets and the sidewalks and listening to your gospel presentation. That's not how we do ministry nowadays. If you just go around proclaiming the gospel, people could get offended and they might never come to our church. You have to build relationships first. You have to invite a person out to dinner, and you have to pay for everything, and you have to do that at least 3 times. Then you can invite that person into your home, and you can play some board games, really get to know them really good. Do this over the course of a year or 2, see how things go. If the topic of religion ever comes up, well, then you can just ease your way into things. And, that's just a great way to keep peace and unity, because we are the church of peace and unity. So if you could just follow that simple advice and you do everything according to my recommendations, everything is going to be A-okay. You just have to remember who's in charge.